Hey, so if you're just getting started with ClickUp or want to make the most of the free plan in 2026, this guide is going to help. I'll walk you step by step on how to use ClickUp effectively without paying anything so you can stay productive and organized. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp. Log in using your email address and password. Once you're inside your workspace, you'll see the dashboard, which is your central hub for tasks, lists, and projects. Start by creating spaces for different areas of your work. Even on the free plan, organizing your work by spaces, folders, and lists keeps things clean and easy to navigate. For example, you might have a space for personal tasks, one for client projects, or one for team collaboration. Next, focus on creating tasks with clear titles, due dates, and priorities. Even though the free plan has limited advanced features, you can still use statuses like to do, in progress, and completed to track your workflow. This makes it easy to see what's happening at a glance. You can also use checklists within tasks to break down work into smaller steps. This is super helpful for managing detailed projects without extra tools. And don't forget to attach files or links directly to tasks for easy access. ClickUp Free Plan also supports multiple views like list, board, and calendar. Experiment with these to find what works best for your workflow. The board view is great for visual tracking, while the calendar helps you manage deadlines. Collaboration is still possible. Invite teammates or clients as guests. They can view or comment on tasks without counting toward paid seats. This helps keep your team coordinated without spending money. And that's basically it. By organizing spaces, using clear tasks, leveraging checklists, trying different views, and collaborating efficiently, you can get the most out of ClickUp's free plan. If this video helped, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with friends or teammates, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step ClickUp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.